Hi children, good morning to all. How are you all? Okay children, today we are going to discuss the answers for the PA2 question paper. Are you ready children? The first question is, the ones digit of the cube of 52,483 is dash. Here you have to find the last digit and find the cube of that last digit. What is here? 3. If I find 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 7 is in that units digit. So even if I cube this very big number, 7 is going to be in its units place. So 7 is the right answer. The next question is, the value of 4 into cube root of 1000. You know to find cube root of 1000, it is 10. Because 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. Cube root of 1000 is 10. Many of you click the answer as 10. But see here we have 4 into. So 4 into 10 is 40. Okay, 40 is the right answer. Third question, cube root of 15625. Here you have to do prime factorization and find the answer. So what will be the answer? Yes, 25. 25 into 25 into 25, we have 15625. The next question is, a perfect cube of a number having 0 at its units place ends with dash zeros. A perfect cube of a number, I'm going to find perfect cube for a number. And that number is going to have 0 in its units place. For example, it can be 40. Or it can be 110, or it can be 2220. The thing is that last in units place they are having 0. If I cube such number, how many zeros will be there in that cube number? Yes, 3 zeros will be there, because 10 into 10 into 10 we will have 1000 and 3 zeros. So even whatever may be the number in front of that 0, I am not bothered about that. But the number of zeros at the back will be 3 in number. So 3 zeros will be there. A line graph which is a whole unbroken line is a linear graph. Even in this simple question, few of you have made an error. I don't know how. It's very simple thing. Line graph, unbroken line. It's surely a linear graph. There is no, it's not possible to talk about bar graph, histograph, circle graph. I don't know, even in this question, few of you have made mistake and I don't know how to go ahead. Next thing is, if we join all these 3 points, then we obtain. See here, all the x coordinates are same. So all these points are going to lie on the same line. All the x coordinates are same, minus 3. Only y coordinates are different, 2, minus 3 and 4. Isn't it? Is it possible for this line to pass through origin? No. It's a line x-axis parallel to y-axis. X coordinates are same, so it is parallel to y-axis. So straight line without passing through origin is the right answer. If you couldn't analyze just by looking at it, you should have gone for a rough diagram in your graph paper, because you are just now learning all these coordinates and you will not be in a position to analyze these things just orally. Only if you practice in graph paper, you will get practice. Okay, that's why I asked you to use rough graph sheet to find the correct option. Okay, it's very simple thing. So straight line without passing through origin is the right answer. Next question, the point 5, 2 is near to. Even for this, 5, 2. See here, first number always denotes x coordinate. It is 5. So in x line, you are going to the point 5. When you go to point 5, will you be near to y-axis? Is it possible to be near to y-axis? No. So the answer is x-axis. Okay, it's not closer to origin and none of the above is not also possible. So x-axis is the right answer. The next question is, Cartesian system is named in the honor of Descartes. Good. Then There is not even a single question in which everyone answered it right. And I feel very bad for that. Okay. The next question is, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. They have given the perimeter of a rectangle. Let us see it using slides now. See, the perimeter of a rectangle is 20 centimeter. If the length of the rectangle is 6 centimeter, then its breadth will be dash. I have taken down perimeter and length, and I have considered breadth to be x. So, as per the formula, 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter. Isn't it? 2, this is from formula. This 6 is breadth plus, length plus breadth is x is equal to 20. It's a simple equation. If I transpose this 2, it becomes 10. If I transpose 6 to the side, we get 4. So, 4 is the correct option. The next question is, the solution of 2y plus 9 is equal to 4. Transpose this 9. Even for this, let's have a look at it. If I transpose this 9, it becomes minus 9. So, minus 5. So, it is minus 5 by 2 and not minus 2 by 5. Hope you are able to see how it has been simplified. Next thing is, the solution of y by 5 is equal to 10. Very simple. If it is in denominator, it moves to the numerator. So, 50 is the answer. Very simple questions I have asked. And even for this, you have struggled a lot. State true or false. For an integer, a cube is always greater than a power 2. If I multiply twice and if I multiply thrice, 3 times, a into a, which one is bigger? Naturally, a cube is greater, isn't it? That's what they have stated. So, it is true. Here, I have 5 questions, A, B, C, D. So, 4 questions. You have to choose for each and everything. 5, 0 lie on x-axis because 0 is y coordinate and I have not moved anywhere horizontally. Okay, y is 0. In the y-axis is horizontal line, isn't it? Vertical line. And I have not moved anywhere in that vertical line. So, it lies on the x-axis. It's true. Now, come on, 0, 1. Will it lie on x-axis? 0 is x coordinate, 1 is y coordinate. I have moved 1 units in y coordinate. Is it possible for that point to be in x-axis? No, it is false. So, whenever we have true, false, these 2 options, A or D option. This is going to be first option or last option is going to be correct. Okay, then I move to the third question. 0, 0 is the origin, so it is true. When I compare first option and last option, first 3 are right. So, I have to decide only based on the fourth answer. 4, 4 is at equal distance from both x-axis and y-axis. It is true. So, first option is the right answer. Now, the next question is, 81 should be divided by dash to get a perfect cube. So, 81 is not a perfect cube. By which should it be divided to get a perfect cube? Going for prime factorization method, 81 will be equal to what? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 4 3s will be there. So, to be a perfect cube, 3 3s is enough. So, which is extra? 1 3 is extra. So, 3 is the right answer. The next question is, dash is not a perfect cube. You have to find cube root for all these things using prime factorization method. 1000 is a perfect cube. 216 is also a perfect cube. 216 is 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. This is 10 into 10 into 10. 1331 is 11 into 11 into 11. So, this 243 is not a perfect cube. Only if you are familiar in doing prime factorization and cube numbers, it's easy to answer it. So, 243 is the right answer. Next question. What should be divided by 53240 to make it a perfect cube? Again, going for prime factorization method and find the answer. So which is the right answer? 5 is the right answer for this question. You have to do prime factorization for this number 53240. Okay, you will have 1 5 which is not occurring in triples. This alone will be occurring only twice. Sorry, only once. It has to be removed. So we divide by 5 to make it a perfect cube. Next question. The volume of cubical box is 64 centimeter cube. Which of the following is its size? In this question, for few of you, the second option would have appeared as option 2 itself in your question paper. And for few, you would have seen 4 centimeter. So I decided to give marks for all the children, whatever answer you have clicked. Okay. 64 centimeter cube is volume. Volume is 64. They are asking us to find its side. So find the cube root. Cube root of 64. Prime factorization method 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 4 into 4 into 4. If I take cube root, we will get 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter is the right answer. All these things we can do it orally itself. No need of going in for calculations. Next, if a number is doubled, then which of the following is a correct statement? Its cube is 2 times the cube of the given number. Its cube is 3 times the cube of the given number. Its cube is 6 times the cube of the given number. Here, they are talking about the number which is doubled. If the number is 3, if you double it, how will you double it? We will multiply by 2. Isn't it? 2 3s are 6. That's how we double it. So in general, I can say let the number be n. If I double that n, I will multiply by 2. So it becomes 2n. Did you understand, children? N is a number. That number is doubled. So I have 2n now. Now find the cube of this 2n fully. 2n the whole cube. If it is n cube, it is n whole power 3 will again n cube. If it is 2n the whole cube, I have to multiply 2 3 times and n 3 times. If I multiply 2 3 times, I will get 8 and n cube. Now see, that option is here in last. Its cube is 8 times the cube of the given number. Did you understand, children? N is the number. If it is doubled, it is 2n. If I multiply 2n 3 times, 2n into 2n into 2n, I will get 8n cube. 8 times the cube of the given number. This is the correct answer. In question number 19, find the volume of a cube. One face has an area of 64 meters squared. For this, let us have a PPT. Find the volume of a cube. Find the volume of a cube. One face of which has area of 64 meters squared. They have given us the area. Volume will have how many faces, my dear children? 6 faces will be there. Isn't it? They have given the area of one face. All these faces will be of square type. So a squared is 64. So a is equal to 8. 8 into 8 is 64. So a is equal to 8. With this help, I have to find the volume of cube. Volume of cube is 8 cube. 8 cube. 8 into 8 into 8. So we got 512 as the answer. So 512 is the right answer. In the next question, find the cube of 3.5. Multiply 35 into 35 into 35 and place decimal from the back leaving 3 digits. So this is the answer. 42.87. Everywhere all the numbers are same. I don't need to multiply also. Just look at the decimal point and click the right answer. Okay. The next question is, Yes, which point lies on y-axis? 0, -2. Okay children, let's continue in next video.